What's going on, you guys? BigZ in this one, and welcome to another vlog by BigZ. So after bowling, we came back to our car and we were ready to roll, but we were having difficulty connecting to the car's audio.
No music phone. What the heck?
Oh, it's because I never set up my iTunes. No, what do you call it?
It's not your iTunes.
Man, you don't got shit.
Hey, can you not connect your phone? See what happens?
Does it need the charge? Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Cause you never ever know when you hurt. And I need you. Sit down for you always, Katie. Do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me. Oh. Look at that skyline, bro. You're gonna see that from the island.
Perfect. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful.
I fucking hate that building. You see that, like, the rectangle one?
Yeah.
Looks fucking trash, bro.
Which one? The rectangle?
Right, it's right that big one that's like sticking out.
Oh,
Yeah.
that one there. Yeah.
That's a condo. It's so stupid.
Really? Okay, this one?
No, yeah. See that white car with that guy? Straight,
That
yeah.
one there?
Yeah, this one right here. This one right
With
here.
the NYPD?
Yep, yeah, right here.
Alright.
Yep, perfect. So we're on 34th Avenue. We're gonna pass by my old house. So
Oh, really?
yeah.
So we're in Astoria then, eh?
This is Astoria. Yeah.
Oh, wow. First time in Astoria. I like it.
Oh, you didn't go, right?
I've never
Actually,
been.
no. It's perfect. I brought you here because I like Astoria more.
Oh, you like Astoria? It's perfect.
Yeah.
So the place is near Astoria, in Astoria then, whatever you said, Roosevelt Island?
Roosevelt Island. Yeah. If you go
is it
straight, I'll
past
show you.
Astoria? Oh, okay.
We're gonna go to Fatima's first.
Let me just slow the hell down so that you can, oh shoot bro, thank you. This is good.
I'm glad I brought you here.
Yeah, definitely. Oh wow.
I actually like Roosevelt Island more.
This is
I'm always
much
here.
better. Welcome to Roosevelt Island. You got that, eh? Okay, you got it. Okay, that's good. Let's get this skyline. Oh,
I'm Canadian, eh?
I am Canadian, not you.
Hey.
Hey,
Oh,
hey.
yeah, careful. There's a big like turnaround going down.
Whoa. Okay, be careful. We're going down or no?
Down, yeah.
All right, left, right. Just following him or
Yeah,
no?
follow the guy.
Follow the guy. Okay.
Follow the scooter person.
Follow the scooter person. Oh yeah, that's the one. Oh, nice. Oh dude, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Damn, what are you getting? Ah, shit.
You better edit out the sound.
No. Oh,
he does.
Shut up.
Boy, who said that? Who said that? Why just said that?
Oh, this is nice, bro.
Good. Now take a left.
Yeah, I can't believe you can talk with that accent.
Oh.
I can't. I just don't
Why
know
are you jealous of me?
Shut up.
Mr.
Yeah,
Mr. I am from Canada.
I'm pretty sure
Canada is great.
Oh,
Oh, there's a lot of stop signs by here, so be careful. They're really strict. on
There's
that.
what?
Stop signs.
Oh, really? Okay, I gotta be careful.
Yeah,
Okay.
you gotta come.
Bro, how do you do that? Oh wow, beautiful, man. It's nice.
Wait till you step out of the car. I wanna go on the swing.
You gotta go on the swing?
Yeah.
Swing might break, man.
Ah, bro. You might break. I'll kick you.
Oh, that's the what bridge is this?
This is the Manhattan Bridge.
Manhattan Bridge?
Yeah, this is the bridge you take to get into Manhattan. Astoria.
Wow. So we're pretty close to Manhattan then, eh? Hey, incoming call.
Oh my friend. Yo, what's up?
Where you going?
I'm at Roosevelt Island with my cousin, bro.
Why? You guys like that? Huh?
I'm at Roosevelt Island with my cousin.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'll come through later.
I'll try, because I'm going to get home late, so I don't know if I will make it. And I got to be up early tomorrow. I got to go to Jersey.
I'll pick you up. I don't care.
No, I can drive. I mean, I'm going to try. Don't worry. I'll let you know. Yo, give me 1 second. Hey, you see that roundabout?
Yeah.
Follow the roundabout, follow that bus.
For the bus?
Yeah,
Okay.
go around the roundabout, go to the bus.
Alright.
Where's everyone? Let me say hi to everyone.
Everyone's here, bro.
Hey, what's up? You take the $50 bribe?
Wow, this place is crazy. Oh shit, we're right
Yeah, if I come home early, I'll try to pull up. Don't worry. But I'll
Late because I'm gonna be up all night.
oh yeah? Alright, I'll see how late I come, because I gotta go early tomorrow. That's fine.
Oh dude, get this entire thing,
Yeah.
man.
Yo, stop at the stop sign. What are you doing?
Easy, bro, easy.
Yo, these Canadians gonna get me killed, son.
Alright, bro.
Alright, I'll see you later, alright, bro? Enjoy, guys. Bye, everyone.
You got it. Let's do it.
Ta-ta.
Oh yeah, so this is kind of facing away from Manhattan.
Uh-huh.
Ah,
That
yeah.
Pepsi Cola sign, that's the LSE
Oh,
Pier. Oh, this is all
okay,
parking, so you can leave it anywhere.
Let's
here.
park it here then, eh?
Just leave it anywhere.
Yeah. Because we're not gonna go far, so
No, we're gonna be near the car. So if
Yeah.
anyone says, "Yo, put a ticket,"
we're just gonna get the heck out of there right
Yeah.
away, basically. We just move it. Yeah, this is good, right?
Yeah, perfect.
Ordered? I think I have, yeah. Well, you want to
I'm
put
gonna put it on
some?
my card. No, because I want you to walk down. I don't want you to stay here.
Oh, right, I get it, yeah. Look at this, look at this bowling,
Bag is
bowling.
up a first class.
This guy is
You know
class.
that song?
Which one is it?
First class. I'll play it when we leave.
Okay, yeah. It's like a Hindi song or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Welcome to the Ruman Show, everybody.
Look at
This is Roosevelt Island.
Roosevelt Island, bro. We're in Roosevelt Island.
In 1997, when I was born, because I was the baddest bitch ever. That's when everything mattered. Yeah.
Uptown, downtown.
Hey, dude, they haven't gone gondola? What is it? This is gondola. That red thing? Yeah, that's a trap. Now you take it into the city.
Speak up so they can hear you.
Okay, so this is kind of like Midtown, Uptown Manhattan. I know because I go to school in that area over there.
Yeah.
So this is Roosevelt Island.
Island, baby.
This is like a grass area. So a couple years ago, this area did not exist. They made it into something beautiful when the Cornell campus moved in, which is right here. It's very beautiful. You see people here. You walk, you enjoy, you get the shot of the sun over there. You know, very calming with the waters and everything. There's a faint shot of the Freedom Tower, if you can see. You can zoom in. Yeah. And people actually live here now too, which is interesting.
In this island?
Yeah. 5 years ago, you couldn't really do it. Yeah. Those are residential. Yeah. Like 5 years ago, that wasn't really a thing.
5 years ago.
The main reason this Roosevelt Island was so famous because there used to be like a hospital. Yeah, the hospital still exists, but it's very small. I volunteered inside.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Wait, during high school?
No, like actually for like my startup, I had to do like a volunteering event there. So they're like, oh, it was like, yeah, they're like helping old people with computers, but no one showed up, so it was just me in the hospital, and like it was like a big hospital. But yeah.
What, really? So you didn't think of it?
Nah, I don't do camera. I am XKG now. and then you know, this is the Manhattan side. That's the FDR drive.
Nice.
What river is this?
Hey, that's the bridge, right? That's what we call
bridge
it,
we saw.
Manhattan Bridge, right?
Yep. That's how big it is. It goes because it goes over the Roosevelt.
And I know you have to pay toll, right? Or
No.
no? What's free? Well, yeah, but we just.
Well, you can, yeah,
We took it. We
You
took
took
it,
it,
right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
No, toll started when you start going to Staten Island. Eventually, so when you go to LSD Piers, you'll see the whole river.
Wow.
Oh, and everything's right up.
Yeah, I told you that's the UN building.
Which
That's the UN building.
UN building, eh?
Yes, the UN building.
Look how rough it is.
Oh, it's rough, man.
I don't know, but imagine how many Godzillas are down there.
Wow, so this is like a castle or what is it? A hospital? We don't know what it is. We're gonna go figure it out right now. Yeah, I'm gonna find out right now. Oh, that thing again. What is this? Oh.
Okay, so that is all for this time. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.